Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello student, good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, here I will check your attendance, student.
Okay, student, have you ever listened to a podcast or you had trouble to listen a podcast?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what was the podcast about and where you listen? And or what was the podcast about?
Yes, sir.
We will learn how to listen to podcast effectively and understand important information in listening.
Okay, student, I will explain about what a podcast. What is the podcast? A podcast is an audio broadcast, sometimes also video that can be listened to or downloaded via the internet, usually in the form of a series or episodes discussing a specific topic such as education, entertainment, news stories, or talk show. Simply put, a podcast is like a radio show, but you can listen to it anytime, anywhere via your phone and computer. Okay, student, better I will just write it on the whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, student, here is definition from podcast. You can write this definition the your notebook. Okay.
Okay, student. You know that the podcast so different types, such as this is a different of types about the podcast. In the first, entertainment. For example, the entertainment, funny stories, celebrate interviews, music, and comedy. And then, example from informative is news and stories, then science and technology update. And then education, example from education is apa? Language learning, study types, and educational topic. Showcase popular conventional podcast content.
Here are also example of podcasts that are relevant to all of you, such as here any teenager therapy, and birthday families. Maybe you can learn this podcast in your home, okay, student?
Here, application Spotify. And then, and the second application Apple Podcast. And the last application Google Podcast.
Okay, student, right now we will practice about podcasts. We can listen podcasts effectively, okay?
Okay, sir.
I will play podcasts. And the podcast is so interesting for you. 5 minutes, sorry.
Hello, and welcome to Hot Sip with Nathan, the podcast where you learn English in bite sized chunks. I'm your host, Nathan. This series is all about sitting down together and talking about something fun and interesting. Ready? Let's dive in. Let me paint you a picture. You're at an elegant party. Fine wine, soft lights, cheerful laughter. Suddenly, someone announces, I have a special gift. It'll yellow your teeth, foul your breath, paralyze your lungs. Anyone want to try? Of course, no volunteers. Yet, this is what 1.3 billion people use daily. Each cigarette, a mini chemical plant, pumping 5,000 toxins into your body.
Okay, student. No, you can make some small group of 3 or 4 people, and I and then I have some question about the podcast.
And student, here are some unhindered vocabulary, and you have to know about the podcast.
Okay, student. No, you are going to create your own podcast. Work in small group for the topic, for example, hobbies or school, daily life, and duration 2 until 4 minutes. Write a short, right? Write a short script and record, and each group present and each group present their podcast to the class. The teacher provide feedback on the new or content and review.
Okay, student, and now I ask you to compare each group from your group result.
All learn about the podcast today. What did you learn from the process of writing and presenting the podcast today?
Okay, student, and before we close this phase, I will give you some maybe just this one student.
Okay, thank you very much for today. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.